tighten your belly in 1 month with the plank challenge. For all those out there who believe a tight belly and six-pack abs are just a dream that will never come true, we are here to tell you that you are terribly wrong. Have you heard of the plank and its incredible effects? Even though it is a static exercise, the effectiveness of the plank should never be underestimated. This exercise actually engages a lot more muscles than crunches, and it mainly focuses on the upper body. While holding the plank position, the corset muscles are largely exerted, and this will make you sweat much harder than after making 100 crunches. During the plank, the muscles are constantly tensed, and this boosts the strength and stamina in a shorter time period. This 21-day plank challenge will literally transform your body. Week 1. During the first week, you should make the plank position for 30 seconds and gradually increase to a minute. Week 2. Hold the plank for 30 more seconds during the second week. Week 3. Start with 90 seconds and gradually increase the time to 120. In the last days of the challenge, do one set in the morning and another in the evening. As soon as you start this challenge, you will experience amazing improvements. Your body posture will significantly improve. It will lower the risk of back and spine injury. The plank will define the core and boost your performance. It will boost your flexibility. It will enhance your overall balance. The plank will boost your metabolism. It will release tension and stress and improve your mood. So, what are you waiting for? Tomorrow is too late. Start today. These plank exercises are great for the beginner as they are not too strenuous, like some exercises seem at first. As you progress, your confidence will grow, which will increase your general health levels and help you drop weight. You should remain determined and motivated during the 3-week challenge, and you will undoubtedly achieve your goals. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.